Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R350 server. In this video we're going to specifically focus on power supplies. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R350 server. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, we'll talk about now. This video is going to be specifically dedicated to power supplies, one of the quickest ones in the series. So essentially, there's only two options. You have a 600 watt platinum and a 700 watt titanium. The 600 watt, the real important thing to note is the one that you probably are going to want, depending on your hookup, that's going to be from 100 to 240 volt, whereas the 700 watt is going to be 200 to 240 volt. So that's the first thing that I want to say as a buyer. Beware for the 700 watt. If you don't have the right hookup, you can't use it. So just know that going into it. Outside of that, again, not too much going on in this as a whole. There's only two choices, and 600 is probably going to be the one that you want. I will also say that since there are two redundant power supplies, you do have to make sure that your power supplies are the same. You can't put one 600, one 700, just isn't going to work. So make sure they're both 600. So if one of them has failed and you're replacing it, just make sure you buy the exact same one you already have. That's pretty simple overall, right? And if you need an overnight one, and you go to our store, we have the option to overnight power supplies, and we can definitely get one to you the next day. All right. Now that we know a little bit more about them, let's show you how to install them, which is super easy because it's hot swap. All right, so I got my ESD gear on. We're safe to work on our machine. So if we're going to install a redundant power supply, we need to match up what we currently have, which, as you see on the label here, is a 600 watt. So I grabbed our 600 watt, and all you have to do is simply line it up and slide it in. It's a very easy install. When we get to this point right here, you'll notice this orange clip when you push it in will kind of move out and in, and that's about it. So if we want to remove this one, we're just going to push this in and pull this out, and it'll slide right out. So it's a very simple installation as a whole. And if you made it this far, hey, click that like, smash that subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom built servers, we do Dell, HPE, Supermicro, IBM, Cisco. We'd love the opportunity to earn your home lab or your data center's business. We also do new and we do used. Please email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Thanks for stopping by, guys.